Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on October the 15th, 2020. Global stocks fall on pandemic fears and likely aid. Global stocks dropped on Thursday as investors saw recent gains amid growing concerns over renewed COVID-19 infections and after the US Treasury Secretary dashed any remaining hopes for a stimulus package ahead of the November the 3rd elections. The broadest Asia-Pacific stock index outside Japan, MSCI, lost 0.5%, while Japan's Nikkei fell 0.5%. S&P 500 futures in Asia declined 0.27% after major US stocks closed the previous session lower, with the S&P 500 closing down 0.7% and the Nasdaq Composite falling 0.8%. The disappointing quarterly results of Bank of America and Wells Fargo led to a 2.4% decline in the S&P 500. Fears that the resumption of the COVID-19 pandemic could force governments to close economies again have spurred profits, especially after the recent surge in stocks. US Treasury Secretary Stephen Mnuchin gloomy comments also served as another reason for the profit taking. United Airlines have costs due to crisis. United Airlines said Wednesday it cut operating expenses by 59% in the third quarter and has nearly $20 billion in liquidity to ultimately emerge from the COVID-19 crisis that hit the travel industry. Airline executives are signaling a slow but steady improvement in vacation demand, but are not forecasting a rebound to 2019 levels in at least 2 years, as business and international travel is particularly slow to recover amid continuing travel restrictions. When the rebound finally comes, airlines will want a cost structure and network. The stock closed roughly 1% lower at $35.61 ahead of the release and 1.37% after the close. Including voluntary resignations, United said it cut 22,000 employees, resulting in approximately $765 million in pre-tax expenses in the third quarter. As of September the 30th, United had $19.4 billion in liquidity. Tesla brings his Model S prices down due rivalry. American electric vehicle maker Tesla Inc. has slashed the price of its Model S long-range sedan in the United States to $69,420. CEO Elon Musk announced the cut earlier Wednesday. It is the second price decline in Tesla's high-end sedan this week after a 4% drop to $71,990 on Tuesday. Company shares closed 3.3% higher at $461.30 on Wednesday and remained largely unchanged after trading closed. Tesla also cut the price of its Model S by 3% on Tuesday in China, where it had previously cut the starting price of its Model 3 sedan. The price cuts are driven by heightened competition in the electric vehicle market, which has long been dominated by Tesla, and several automakers will launch new electric vehicles next year.